Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix not everyone can message this account issue on Instagram. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first of all, open the Instagram application and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then your Instagram profile will open. Now click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner. Scroll down and you will see this option, Messages and Story Replies. So tap on it, then tap on the first option, Message Controls. In the Message Controls section, first tap on your followers on Instagram and select it to Message Requests. In my case, I have already selected Message Requests. Then go back and select the second option, Others on Instagram. Also select it to Message Requests. Now again go back and tap on the third option, Who can add you to groups, and select it to everyone on Instagram. Then go back, scroll down and you will see restricted option. Tap on it, tap next. Here you will see restricted accounts. So first remove them, then you will be able to message those accounts. After applying these two solutions, your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the same issue, then tap and hold on Instagram. You will see app info option. Tap on it. After that, tap on storage and cache. Here first clear cache, then clear storage. Then uninstall Instagram, reinstall it from Play Store and your problem will be fixed. This is how you can fix not everyone can message this account on Instagram.